6 to 7 years.
It's not long.
No.
You hear them? They're going nuts.
Where you guys are from? Canada. What part of Canada?
British Columbia. That's on the, you know where Vancouver is? We're close to Vancouver.
Montreal is famous.
What is?
Montreal.
Never heard of it.
Dylan, you got any beer over there?
Beer, did you say?
Yeah, we got beer.
Finally we're getting to the beer.